are you doing? All right. Creating a multilingual digital marketing roadmap is like planning a wild road trip through a melting pot of cultures, each offering its own unique flavor and experiences. Here's how I roll out the red carpet for the one and only Global Delights, a gourmet food brand, as we embark on this exhilarating journey. First thing first, get the lay of the land. I dive into market research to uncover what the locals crave. In Mexico, it's all about the spicy snacks. In Germany, the health conscious treats steal the show. This intel sets a stage for a marketing strategy that's as sharp as a New York minute. Speak their lingo, but keep it real. I take localization seriously. It's not just about translating words. I add up product descriptions and social media content to hit home with local audiences. Picture this. I add a dash of sarcasm in the UK while keeping it as straightforward and sincere in Japan. It's all about making that authentic connection. Make it engaging and relevant. I whip up a content calendar that syncs with local festivities. I'm talking festive recipes for Diwali in India and chic wine pairings for Bastille Day in France. People love good food, and I make sure they get it. No fluff, just the good stuff. Be the go-to brand online. I optimize for local search like it's my second job. I get my hands dirty with keywords that matter. For example, in Italy, it's all about authentic Italian pasta recipes, while in Japan, I focus on gourmet sushi ingredients. This is how Global Delights pops up on local searches like a food truck at a Brooklyn festival. Be everywhere the customers are. I'm talking multi channel marketing. Action, I leverage a mix of platforms tailored to each market. In Brazil, I'm all about Instagram and teaming up with local influencers. Meanwhile, in the US, I craft mouth-watering email campaigns and collaborate with food bloggers. It's all about being where the action is. Then I track the hits and pivot as needed. After the lunch, I keep a close eye on analytics to see what's working, what's not. If I discover that video content is a hit in Spain, because I write in Spanish, well, I double down on those cooking tutorials. I roll with the punches, adjusting my strategy to keep the momentum going. The bottom line is, with this strategic roadmap, I can help Global Delights boost their bottom line through multilingual digital marketing. Let's hit the ground running and uncover the delicious opportunities that await. Go get them, boys and girls. Until next time, have a good one.